We're here at Venture Jets in Lancaster, Pennsylvania.
We operate jets out of a large hangar in Pennsylvania, and our main use for or need for fans was our jets to keep moisture out of the hangar and condensation off the floor to reduce the slick nature. And we found that the fans not only kept moisture levels down, but on hot days when it was humid and the air wasn't coming through the hangar very well, we were able to circulate some level of air to keep our employees cool, as well as reduce the risk of corrosion on aircraft, which is a huge factor for us.
They are our 2 horsepower T-Series product, and they can generate from 32 RPMs to 72 RPMs and up to 360,000 cubic feet per minute of airflow.
Circulating the heat off the top of the ceiling has helped. It feels, the felt temperature in the hangar feels a little bit warmer in the wintertime. We're running in reverse. In the wintertime, we run the fan in reverse. In the summertime, we'll run it forward to kind of keep that airflow coming down. Pulling from the center, down the sidewalls, and then in the summer, we'll circulate the other way around.